Hi guys, I'm gonna do a flip cup for one of my followers and friends, Facebook friends, Rose. So here you go, Rose. I'm gonna do a 3-cup flip cup. And I have to warn you all, I hate flip cups. I have never had a successful flip cup in my life. So, just want to get this situated here. That might be too much. Okay, we're level. So this is a 16 by 20, which requires what did I calculate? 12 ounces. And well, I don't know what I did with my paper. I don't, I'm going to do more than 12. I think these are 6-ounce cups. So we're going to do maybe 17 ounces. And I've got just leftover paints. I even have one here that's looking kind of funny. I keep stirring it. So I don't know if this will work. I don't know if I'll be able to put it in. But let's start with white. And then we'll go with this, this is a burgundy. This kind of got a little thick on me. Sorry guys, I need to move this closer to me so I can see in the cup. Can you still see? Yeah, you can still see. And this is kind of a light blue, so let's do the blue. God, this is gonna be a mess, Rose. I'm just warning you. Let's do this. I think this was a mixture of pink and purple. And I honestly can't tell you what I put in these. I normally put Floetrol in stuff. Let's do some more white. Now we'll go with some navy. Lots of air bubbles in this. And some blue, which is sinking. Now let's put this is rose gold and gold mixed because it didn't have enough of each, so I just threw them in together. Get rid of that lump. One cup empty. That's cool. Got rid of blue. I tried to make these consistencies all the same. Well, the navy's all gone. Okay. Since I haven't done this in a long time. All right, well, that's sinking. I'm going to go get some gloves on. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording. I'm just base coating so my paint has somewhere to flow. So all of this will disappear, so don't worry. At least I hope it will disappear. All right, I think the cups are ready. Fingers crossed. I am not a flip cup person. Overabundance of paint, which is what I always do. You want to have enough. I'm just popping bubbles. Okay. Time for tipping. I'll come back to the middle. Take off that corner. Come back to the middle. Okay. Let's do this one here first. And I lost my cup over there. Come back to the middle. And we will set this down. I'm just letting this settle right now. I don't want to touch it anymore for a minute. Well, there's something in this paint that is causing some pretty cool lacing, but I still have too much paint on here. So now I have to decide which way I want to go. So let's look at this. This is muddy and boring, so I'm going to tip off in this direction. Come back to the center. And we're going to go the other way. We'll look at it again. Let's torch. Okay. There is no silicone in any of this because I haven't used silicone for probably a year and a half. So I just popped bubbles and now I don't like it. Not keen on this. Buddy, what are you doing over there? Hang on. Gotta get my cup put back over on top of that stick. I can't see what I'm doing here. got something in my paint. Let's see if I can get it out without ruining the design. Okay. I am not going to torch this again because I didn't like those bubbles. So what do you think, guys? Rose? What do you think, Rose? The colors are kind of cool. I'll let it dry, see what happens. Let me take my gloves off and we'll go in for a close-up. I'm glad I didn't have to put that green in because it's still getting all blotchy. So 1 second while I take you off the tripod. Okay, let's start at the bottom left. That's pretty like that. I like that reaction with that burgundy and the golden rose gold mixture. Interesting lacing going on. Not sure how that happened. Whoop. Oh, I almost dropped my camera right into the paint. That would have been horrible. Look at all these stupid speckles. I shouldn't have torched. This is an interesting corner. Trying to get away from that glare. I always forget to turn that overhead light off. There you have it. Okay. All right, Rose, there's your flip cup. Thanks, guys, for joining me. I hope you enjoyed watching more than I enjoyed doing it. It always makes me nervous. I don't know why. Probably because I had too many failures for 2 years. 2.5 years, actually. So anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. Yes, no. Give it up. Don't do it again. All right. Thanks again. Love you guys. Bye.